The result is a durable, solid structure that forms the walls and basic structure of the house. This part of the process can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days, depending on the size and complexity of the design. But the printing process doesn't create a finished house. There are still some finishing touches to be added. After the concrete has dried, windows and doors are installed and a roof is added. Depending on the design, traditional construction methods may be used for these final steps, or they may be incorporated into the 3D printing process. And just like that, what was once a digital model is now a physical house. It's a process that's not only efficient, but also environmentally friendly, reducing waste and requiring less manual labor. And there you have it, a 3D printed house ready in a fraction of the time it would take to build a traditional home. But why should we care about 3D printed homes? Well, imagine constructing a house in just a day, at a fraction of the traditional cost, and with minimal waste. That's the power of 3D printing. This technology is revolutionizing the construction industry, reducing construction time from months to mere days, and slashing costs by up to 50%. It's eco-friendly too, producing significantly less waste than traditional methods. But the potential of 3D printed homes extends beyond convenience and cost saving. It holds the promise of creating affordable housing solutions on a grand scale, transforming the lives of millions who lack access to quality housing. In disaster-stricken areas, 3D printing could offer quick and efficient relief, providing sturdy, habitable shelters in record time. Looking ahead, 3D printing could fundamentally reshape our living environments. With the ability to create complex designs and incorporate smart home technology, our homes could become more personalized and intelligent than ever before. So, the next time you dream of building a house, consider 3D printing. It's fast, affordable, and could be the future.